Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to open a private browser on Mac. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your MacBook. Once Safari is open, from the top left corner, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen, and from this menu, find and click on New Private Window. And there you go. A new private browser window is open, and now your search history, cookies, and browsing data will not be saved after you close the tab. Now, if you want Safari to always open in private mode, there is another setting for that. From the top left corner, click on Safari. A new menu will appear on your screen. From here, click on Settings. A new settings panel will pop up on your screen. Here, make sure you are inside the General tab, and then find the option called Safari Opens With. Next to it, click on the drop-down menu, and from this list, select a new private window. After making this change, Safari will always open in private browsing mode automatically. And that's it. This is how you can open a private browser on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.